I feel. I feel happy. I feel happy. I feel full. I feel full. I feel stupid. I feel stupid. I feel bad. I feel bad. I used to. I used to go there. I used to go there. I used to cry. I used to cry. I used to like it. I used to like it. I used to run every day. I used to run every day. I want to. I want to eat. I want to eat. I want to go to sleep. I want to go to sleep. I want to take a walk. I want to take a walk. I want to visit Europe. I want to visit Europe. I'm going to. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat. I'm going to go to work. I'm going to go to work. I'm going to watch a movie. I'm going to watch a movie. I'm ready to. I'm ready to talk. I'm ready to talk. I'm ready to study. I'm ready to study. I'm ready to run. I'm ready to run. I'm ready to order. I'm ready to order. I'm getting. I'm getting nervous. I'm getting nervous. I'm getting jealous. I'm getting jealous. I'm getting angry. I'm getting angry. I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. I can't understand. I can't understand you. I can't understand you. I can't understand that. I can't understand that. I can't understand him. I can't understand him. I can't understand this sentence. I can't understand this sentence. I'm trying to. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to finish it. I'm trying to finish it. I'm trying to figure this out. I'm trying to figure this out. I'm trying to read more books. I'm trying to read more books. I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to next week. I'm looking forward to next week. I'm looking forward to our trip. I'm looking forward to our trip. I'm looking forward to meeting her. I'm looking forward to meeting her. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. You're so nice. You're so nice. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. You're so hardworking. You're so hardworking. You're so mean. You're so mean.